Hi guys, welcome back. This is Samantha Snacks. I'll be showing you how I watercolor my wig red. The look I'm going for is a ombre look, a lighter red at the bottom and a brighter red at the top. Keep watching and you'll see my method of doing it. If you haven't seen my video on how to watercolor a wig, I'll leave a link in the description below, and I'll also leave a link to the video at the end of this video. Okay, so I use a piece of tissue to test the color to see if this is the exact brightness that I want. I did a video bleaching the bundles to this wig, so I'll leave a link in the description below. Guys, be careful, right? Because this is boiling hot water. I don't know how you get that lift up. It must be super sane, but be careful. Stress on using gloves. Please use gloves. Unless you want your fingers to be dyed the color that you're dyeing the hair, please use gloves. Trust me. So this is the part I only immerse the top part of the wig in the water while holding the bottom, so the bottom can't get any of the brighter dye, because remember I want an ombre color. I want the lighter red at the bottom. I always tell you, I'm not telling you this is how it is supposed to be done, but everyone have different methods, and these are my methods. So I try to put out the videos to give you insight on how I do stuff to save you a bunch of money. With that being said, I am 100% self-taught. All I have to do is see something done once and I can get it done. And I mainly use, like, it's be straightforward to me. It's be straightforward to me, that's the truth. So, you know, you could, like, see my videos, and if you like my results, try it, you know, try it. It will save you a lot of money. I absolutely love how it came out. Absolutely love this color. Thanks for watching my video. If this video helped you out, leave a comment below and be sure to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos, and please subscribe.